the moment has come for us to test our most groundbreaking looks.
Welcome to the VIP Pets Challenge Show.
Today in the salon, we have a special guest. She's glam. She's sweet, not to mention stylish, and that's coming from a handsome hairstylist.
Lydia, with Alexia and Kiara.
But Fabia, relax. Just you wait. You'll soon be sick of eating.
This looks amazing.
My goodness, the sweets have honestly been a total success. Even Alexa and Kiara can't stop themselves from drooling.
Well, come on already. Explain the challenge to us.
For the look challenge of the day, you guys will have to do a look that's a total 10. Fabia and Alexia. And Lydia and Kiara. And while you do it, you guys will have to eat the popcorn that I'm going to throw at you. The one who manages to eat the most popcorn and style a super duper look is the winner. Ready? The look challenge begins now. Get styling.
But Uncle, throw me some more. More popcorn.
Careful, you're getting popcorn in my eye.
Come on, you guys can do it. I know that your hairstyles will be incredible.
This is the best challenge ever. I love it.
I think this is a little bit dangerous. So delicious.
Attention VIP Pets fans, watch how Fabia is wrapping the little bun on Alexia. Super carefully, not even a single hair is out of place. And she's catching the popcorn on the fly. This girl is giving it her all.
I'm starting to get the hang of this. You just have to open your mouth and wait for the popcorn to...
Sure, of course. You almost got it. If you continue like this, I'm gonna bury you in popcorn. We're finally getting to the home stretch. So we're going to turn this up a notch. Let the turbo popcorn begin!
I can't take it anymore.
All that's left are the accessories. Hang in there. You two can do it.
He'll only stop if we finish the looks. I'll cover you and you cover me.
It's your turn.
All right, the looks are all finished now. Although, you two did pull a fast one, huh?
We were just working as a team. Right, Lydia? Now, Alexia and Kiara are the most fashionable doggies with their new hairstyles.
Well, let's see how these two looks turned out. First off, we'll see the first look that Fabia did for Alexia. Are you ready? Here's the look. Good job, Fabia. Your look is totally amazing. And you've eaten all of your popcorn, plus half of Lydia's. That's a total of 40 pieces of popcorn. You earned a wow. So now, it's time for Lydia. Let's get a glance at the second look challenge. Are you ready? All right. Not counting the piece of popcorn that's stuck, the look really isn't that bad. But unfortunately, you've only eaten 10 pieces of popcorn. But just so you know, Fabia is an expert at catching popcorn in her mouth. She's crazy for it.
What can I say? It's so delicious.
Well, it seems like we clearly have a winner for the look challenge of the day. Fabia, the queen of popcorn.
Well, I'm really happy for you, Fabia. And anyway, I don't mind losing because I honestly had such a great time. It was super duper fun.
Plus, the trophy is perfect for sharing.
And you? Would you take on the challenge of the day? It's ideal for challenging your friends. Give it a try and tag us on all our social networks so that way we can take a look.
Always with permission from your parents, as you already know.
We give you the dares.
And you make the amazing looks.